Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how much YouTube pays me for live streaming. So this is my main channel and I have a secondary channel which I primarily use for live streaming and a couple extra videos that I like making for fun. And I've been experimenting and doing a little bit more live streaming on YouTube in addition to streaming on Twitch. So that's my new adventure at the moment. And I just wanted to show you guys how much YouTube is paying me for the live streams. So first off, let me just show you overall how much YouTube is paying me for my secondary channel. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. But as you can see, in May, I made $218. In June, I made $170.32. July, $194.34. August, $181.76. September, $154.86. October, $163.75. Now I'm going to be diving in deep into a couple individual live streams and just showing you guys how much money I'm making from those live streams. So let's go over to the individual live streams. So one of my most recent live streams, I streamed for an hour and 15 minutes. So as you can see for this live stream, I had about 12 concurrent viewers. I started off the live stream with like 2 viewers, jumped up to 7 viewers, and then peaked upwards of around 12, and then went back down to 9 and just maintained that amount. So around 12, like 8 to 12 viewers for the most part. It looks like the average person stayed for about 8 minutes of the live stream. And in this live stream, I made 13 cents. So this is how much YouTube paid me for this live stream. Now, I've noticed that YouTube doesn't really automatically run ads on your live streams. Like I've been on Twitch before and I noticed every time I step into somebody's live stream, an ad usually plays. I don't think YouTube plays those ads as frequently, which is why I don't make that much from the live stream. So for over an hour of live streaming, got paid 13 cents. Okay, so my next live stream, my peak concurrent viewers was 10. And for this one, I streamed for about 50 minutes. And the average person stayed for about 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Now, for this live stream, for whatever reason, even though I streamed for less time and had less viewers, I actually made 17 cents for this live stream. So I'm not too sure why. It doesn't really make sense to me. I made ad revenue of 14 cents. And then from YouTube premium viewers, I made 3 cents. Okay, for my next live stream, I streamed for about 35 minutes. Peak concurrent viewers of 9 and just varying from 5 to 9 viewers. Now, I got paid 14 cents for this live stream. So yeah, making big money. Again, it doesn't really make any sense because I streamed for half the time of the first live stream I showed you and I made around the same amount. So maybe it does play that initial ad in the beginning and then there isn't additional ads being played throughout the live stream. That could be it. All right, next live stream, I streamed for an hour and peak viewership of 10 viewers and dropping all the way down to 3. So how much did I make on this one? Any guesses? For this one, I made $5.35. Now, why is that? Now, if I scroll on through, you'll see your transaction revenue. So for this one, somebody actually donated a super chat, which is why I was able to make $4.88 from the super chat. And then from the ad revenue of this one, I actually made 41 cents. So even if I didn't get that super chat, I still would have made 41 cents, which is significantly more than the other live streams that I was showing you guys a little bit earlier. Okay, so this one I streamed for 54 minutes. And for this one, I actually had peak concurrent viewers of 14. So this is my highest viewed one so far. And I only got paid 13 cents. So this is the least amount I've made in terms of ad revenue from YouTube. However, I had the most viewers in this one, so it doesn't really make sense. Okay. And then the last one I have to show you guys, I streamed for about 40 minutes and had a peak concurrent viewers of 4. So as you can see, just dipping from 0 to 4 the whole way through. This was probably like my first live stream that I did as of recently. And as you can see, I'm still getting views on it. and it generated $1.82 of revenue. Now, just going down to the breakdown, it's actually all ad revenue. So I'm not too sure why this one is doing so well in terms of ads. I do believe at some point it did spike in viewership, as you can see right here. So this is where I'm sure most of the money came in if you just look at in terms of ads. So as you can see, the first day it made 45 cents and then a whole boost up pretty much $1. I'm pretty sure it got shared. If you look at the reach, I had 39% of external viewers. So I'm guessing it got shared somewhere. It looks like it got shared on Twitter somehow. And that's how I got 63% of my external viewership, which is how I was able to make that dollar that was thrown in there. So pretty awesome. Now, is it worth it for you to start live streaming on YouTube? I mean, it is really fun. You get to interact with chat, get to interact with people who regularly watch your videos, and overall it is a good time. But in terms of generating revenue, your best options are to either get people to subscribe to your channel with the paid membership, or to give you super chats, donations, everything like that. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't have any free subscription service like Twitch does with Twitch Prime. If you have Amazon membership, you automatically get a free paid sub to anybody that you view. And I'm hoping someday, maybe if you subscribe to YouTube Premium, maybe they'll give you a free channel membership or something. Not sure if that's ever in the cards, but one could be hopeful. So let me know what you guys think. Is it worth it for you guys to just stream for an hour only to get paid like 10 to 40 cents? So something I will have to evaluate, because the videos itself definitely bring in more money in terms of ad revenue, and you have to find a nice balance between your live streams and your videos. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.